Well, I hope ma-record to because yung computer ko is so full. But anyways, so the reason why po I spoke with some of the coaches in our team, in the A team, and they want me to discuss something new. So wala na yung, we're going to avoid yung, alam mo yung presentation, I'm going to assign, Ate Mel, you present this and that. Kasi those are available from the mastermind itself. Those are actually from the mastermind. So we're just grabbing from the mastermind and then we create and then we present. So why not you guys, watch the mastermind yourself when you have free time. Di po ba? Right? Kasi they are more of motivational, this and that. And you can easily like grab nga from the mastermind, from the training site. So some of the coaches suggested kasi while I came back from my holiday back home and then I got sick as well. I was studying po the content creation because that's part of the business. That's part of the business in the dream team, right? Creating content. Believe it or not, I'm talking in English po kasi this is recorded so everybody can watch. Believe it or not po, we are content creators po in the dream team business. Okay? So we are like social media. We are, I would say, social media personalities not then because we are always in social media platforms. Now, most of the people in the dream team are using Facebook platform. A lot po And most of us here are doing advertising in Facebook lang, alone, right? Why? Because that's our comfort zone po. That's my comfort zone talaga, as in until now. But during those 2 months that I got sick and then I went back, from my holiday, I was studying the TikTok kasi. And how can we benefit from it by just posting and by just being visible there. But we have to learn how. Okay? We have to learn how to use that po. Because otherwise, even if you are posting in TikTok and it's not based on how we supposed to use the TikTok to be visible and promote our business, it's gonna be useless, right? So a lot of you, I'm seeing a lot of like photo and then just added maybe sounds and then that's your post in TikTok. Still, still a lot of you are not using that, that parts of the Facebook content, right? That we discussed before. So I don't know if you were there when we discussed that topic that every post that you're going to create, there is a story, your story from that picture that you're going to use. And then there is business information, one line. And then there is call to action at the last part, right? And then perks of the business. So it's like 4 parts po in your post. Because otherwise, if you are, let's say, I hope I can show Ate Tess video clips because she started to create video clips na. So let's say Ate Tess is posting like a video clip of her like using the laptop and then she's talking about the business like, you know what guys, you can do this business if you have 1 to 3 hours and you have to be consistent po in TikTok and even in Facebook page. I'm not gonna have presentation. I'm just gonna talk and also we're just gonna watch videos po from YouTube because I've been researching po sa TikTok. Why? Because everybody is going to benefit from it po. And remember, not only from my research, there are top buyers from TikTok po, from paid, free posting lang. So they're not paying anything at all. So because we are content creators and our content is about the business that you're offering and your lifestyle, di ba? Yung the lifestyle that was, given by this business. So why not master the TikTok? Because it's free. And even if you are paying the paid advertising po in different platforms, use still the TikTok because we can cross post. Cross posting is, let's say you have a post in Facebook and you're gonna put in different placement. Remember the last time po I discussed that? I'm not sure if you can still remember. But yeah, I think I discussed that the last time. Let's say you created the post as a video post or reels in Facebook, and then you're going to cross post in Instagram or cross post in TikTok. So you are now, from one post, you are now in different platforms, right? So those are very important po. And like I said, even if you have paid advertising po, you have to do this. You have to do this because this is part of our business po in the Dream Team. Social media. Belated happy birthday, Liam. Happy Maylin. Yeah, so whether you like it or not po, if you are gonna continue doing this and you wanna be successful, you have to learn po how to become an effective content creator because we are content creator. Content because what is your content supposed to be? This is supposed to be about the business. It's not about just you. So what I learned pa from iPhone user, I think this is Ate Anne. Right, Ate Christine? I think this is Ate Anne. So what I learned pa from TikTok research, I learned a lot pa. I've been like, watching. Every time I'm doing something in the kitchen or doing something else, I'm watching and binge watching podcast. Podcast po talaga. Okay po, Ate Christine, I added her na. I'm just gonna rename her. Yeah, so, and then I learned how you can use your ChatGPT to create all the contents and grow your TikTok for 30 days. Let's say, how to gain 10,000 followers from one video, na 2 hours na lang. So there's like a 2 hours video from that, young man who's been using AI po to grow his account and his business. And I learned a lot from that. I tried myself. And then if you're going to apply, I said that's 2 hours video. I'll probably gonna just send the link and then try to watch po rather than spending your precious time because how many time, you know, can we have like a free time for like a day? Especially if you're still working po. Let's say you are retired like Ate Maria Flora. Still she has activities, at home. She has to spend time with the husband, di ba? Like walking around, this and that, household chores. So how many like free time do you have in a day? So your precious time po, spend that while watching something that you can benefit from. So I've been like binge watching po information so I can share to you and I can apply to myself too. Not
You are
only to
into
Okay, I'll just mute that again. It's not only for just to share to you guys. I have to apply it myself. It has to work. It has to work. And it's only gonna work if you're going to study first at the beginning how to create a TikTok account. Of course, if you don't have any TikTok, diba? How are you going to post in TikTok? Because I saw some of you like messaging me, they created na a TikTok account. Okay, somehow they started, right? And then I checked the training site po. There's I don't know, Coach Eden, if you're going to like agree with me. There's like just limited inaantok si Ate Mary. Po ba? Thank you for your time po. Even I know, ako din po, I was so sleepy. I had to shower kasi I was, in my appointment this morning. I'm so antok, but I had to commit to come and then do this. And next Wednesday, I'm gonna have the slides na. Because at least if we have a slide that I'm going to download and then post, I don't know po kasi when they're going to remove Slack eh. They're gonna start the system, like switching, moving to the system by October. And sa Slack naman, it will be slowly, remove, transition, this and that, because there's so many files there shared in Slack. So
January
at least,
1,
yeah,
2025. Yeah.
January 1, it will be gone. But they're gonna start switching everything from October, like everything, right? So at least we have a page po that we can post and like compile. We have the DA folder pa, right? So at least if you are still studying, let's say TikTok, you have a slide to study from. You can research on your own if you want, but like I said, it's like the research that I did with that AI to generate me like post in TikTok, and I just That's 2 hour long. So I don't know if you have like very, very like a lot of free time to be able to do that. So like I said, I've been studying and then I'm getting the information now so I can apply myself and second share it to you. Before po kasi, like I said, I'm just starting the TikTok ha. I had that account like long time ago, but I'm not really using it. Even if we have, when it was new, it was just created. It's so scary to use TikTok before because they said the owner was, from China, this and that. Hindi naman pala. So the owner is, I think, American, right? American Taiwanese or Hong Kong national. Can't remember. So he's not Chinese. He's not Chinese national. So I didn't really create that right away. But now I noticed po that even in the Philippines, those people that are doing affiliate marketing, one kind of digital marketing. So affiliate marketing, they are selling the products for free in that platform. Now, the top buyers, some of the top buyers, remember that lady from Malta? I hope you guys are watching the mastermind. Because if you're not watching the mastermind, you're not going to get the idea. We cannot compile all the informations about TikTok, right? You're not going to agree with me that, oh, whatever she's saying is true. That's from the mastermind. That lady from Malta. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
She's from Malta. And she's just wearing a black shirt there and just talking and talking and talking about the business. But it didn't happen like 1 year. So probably since the beginning, she started creating that TikTok. So I think she started 2021 pa. But that's free. The reason why I'm insisting this TikTok to you guys because it's free po. And the hardest part at the beginning when you join this business is to have that ad budget to spend, right? Kasi after 1 month of paying the advertising, like, oh, you're gonna get frustrated, right? You didn't get attraction or yung video is not correct. So why not master this free ads muna? After you earn, invest back sa business and then do the paid advertising. But like I said po, for those of you that are doing the paid advertising, like me, I also have to master that TikTok because it's free. So how would we be able to like study and be comfortable posting in TikTok even if we are busy? Kaya nga we're going to avoid distractions po eh. There's so many distractions po talaga. Even just studying TikTok itself is so, oh my God. You can even spend 5 hours there ate before pampatulog, di ba? 5 hours na you became the consumer, right? So there's two people there, the consumer and the content creator. So we have to become the content creator. I'm watching because I'm getting ideas. Before I'm watching and then I'm spending a lot of time because it's so entertaining. You scroll, 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 and it's already 5 hours. Di po ba? And then you got your blood pressure high. No, just kidding. No, it's really oh, seriously po. Seriously, tawa ka dyan,
Coach
Ate
Anne.
Jeline. I'm mute you. Yeah, so no, reality po I was watching earlier po. So there's two people in TikTok. Content creator, tayo, us, to promote the business, talk about the business, give value to the people. Nakakalimutan natin yung give value to the people eh. Because what we are all posting is about us. Why not about them? Why not about them? Ate Mylene is a nurse now doing the digital business. Target the people, same people, nurses, right? Are you doing to like 8 to 16 hours today or long day and then you still have to do this, cook this, do the laundry? So talk about them, about your viewers. Kasi we always talk about ourselves eh. Yung pala. Kaya nga sabi ko, if we're gonna do this, we have to study. See, ito na naman. We have to be knowledgeable ulit. We have to learn. We have to be educated. So those are the things that also we're going to create content about in your TikTok. Not just about, oh, like, ate, may isang Maria pa kasi, ano ba, okay. So, let's say si Ate Lydia, right? Not just about Ate Lydia, na she's from the States. That's part of your content about me. About me. Okay? So, about me, sabihin mo na, like you're going to create video series of, let's say, 5 series or 5 parts. Part 1, where you from the Philippines, pero all about you. At least when somebody scroll on your feeds and then check your account, because you're going to check eh, And in one checking in TikTok, they're just gonna scroll all your posts and they can learn more about you. So the reason why it's very important as well to put a caption in your picture. I don't know, like I said, next Wednesday yung detailed na. Okay? Because it's very, very important. And we have to learn and grow our following in TikTok because like I said, it's free and it's getting traction. And not everyone in the dream team are in TikTok. No, they're not actually, it's not the comfort zone kasi Facebook ang nauna, way back pa. So, dito tayo sa TikTok ngayon mag-ano. We're not gonna be gone in Facebook, ha? We're just gonna add TikTok account. Okay? And then later on the Instagram. So there's two people, content creator like us, talking about the business, sharing value about your business. Like, let's say, did you ever try to like talk in a video what apps are you using? Or what tools are you using? What kind of phone do you have? Those are information giving value. Let's say you don't have to buy the latest iPhone 16 na wala namang pinagkaiba sa iPhone 15, finish out na nila 13. You can talk about that, right? So even if you have iPhone, ano ba maliliit, 6, 7 na luma, you can still do the business. So that's something giving value to people. Information, nakakalimutan natin yan. What tools you are using in your business? What apps? Like Canva. Most of the time we're using Canva. Do you know Trivia? The owner of that is half Filipino living in Australia. So that's something that you can give value to people. Kesa naman, nag-post ka, you travel, and yung kasi yung, we used to do that before. You travel and then you post a quote. Oh, it's nice to travel. Ako naman na viewer mo or follower, ano kaya ang pinopromote nito, traveling o asan yung business information? Wala yung business information, right? So here you can travel, I have an inquiry while traveling and this is the reason why I'm doing this. A lot of people are doing this now. Why? Because this is location freedom. Location freedom. You are not tied up to go to your work and do your active job to get paid per hour, right? But let's say si Ate Virgie, she has to stay at home and take care of the children. Whereas here in the business, when you become successful, you can travel and bring your business with you. Those are the information po. Pero tandaan nyo, you have to be knowledgeable kung ano yung sasabihin nyo in the content. Karamihan natin, basta na lang for the sake of nag-video and live. Right? Tama o mali? So for the sake of, oh, I saw Mildred, she's posting, she's like doing live every day. No, you have to read po. Actually read and watch other videos so you have reference from. The reason why po I'm sharing a lot to you because I watch a lot of videos po, hindi po ito nanggaling sa akin. I'm unexperienced po ako sa TikTok. I'm just learning pa lang now. Pero it makes sense. It makes sense lahat ng sinasabi doon. There's so many tips po in TikTok, ha. Okay, so those are the things that I observed. Like I said, but we have to start learning how to create an account because there are also words there that we can like filtered. Remember in Facebook, there are words that can be hidden as well, like the scam, pyramid. There are things that you can also do there in TikTok. I don't know if you're aware. And I just watched in the video that you have to like turn off, suggest people that you know. Let's say you started TikTok. That's the reason why Ate Maria Flora added me. Maybe she saw, TikTok suggested to her, oh, add your friends in Facebook, something like that you can see. But we don't have to do that. Why? We are targeting people or your relatives. We don't have to have our relatives following us in TikTok. We want to have the followers that we are targeting, the right people that we are targeting. So, ganun pala dapat. So, there are settings there. That's the reason why nga you have to study how to create that. And I don't think there is like a detailed, I'm not sure po, correct me if I'm wrong. There may be a mastermind about TikTok, Ate Eden. I can't remember. There's also information there in TikTok tab from the training site, but it's not much deeper. I haven't like checked the link there, but it's not much deeper because this is something new for the Dream Team people, right? So whatever we're going to do now is experimental, and until we get that following, and traction. And according to the video that we're going to watch, there's two videos that we're going to watch. There's so many that like tons of informations there. We have to watch, we have to learn before we're going to apply. And then after that, I'm gonna like show you, if we're gonna have time, to show you po how to use ChatGPT naman. ChatGPT pala, it's not Google. Okay, that's the difference. ChatGPT, most of the time, we are using ChatGPT like, can you create me a Facebook caption out of this? Di po ba? Ganun. Like Google, search address of, or let's say, yung fa. I'm going to order fa. Which location? Near me. Gasoline station near me. Ganun. How we search in Google. In ChatGPT pala, from the 2-hour video I watched from that young man using AI to do the business, it's very successful. You have to friend ChatGPT pala. Like a friend. Like a robot friend pala. Let's say Ate Eden. Si Ate Eden si ChatGPT. Hi, Eden. How are you today? Oh, I'm good. Mag-reply naman si Ate Eden as ChatGPT. And ikaw naman, how are you happy today? Ganon pala yun. Ganon pala siya. So, body-body mo. So, can you imagine, ChatGPT, that guy is using that in legal matters. So, may accountant siya na ChatGPT, meron siyang legal na ChatGPT. Ang lupet, lupet. Like, oh, shit. Ganun pala yun. So now, nung natutunan ko from that guy, what I did is I also, hi ChatGPT, how are you today? Can you help me today? Ganon. Ganon din ako. And then, you know what, ChatGPT, hindi ko na sinasabi, I'm not mentioning ChatGPT. You know what? I'm planning to like use TikTok account to run my business. Can you help me gain 10,000 followers in 30 days? How do you think, am I going to do that? Can you help me with the steps? Sagot naman siya, oh, you should ganyan. And how about ganon? And my back, ganun pala. That's how you do it. Hindi yung isang prompt before, right? Before na tinuruan ko na prompt, create, copy, paste. No. So you have to friend yung ChatGPT. And until
Communicate.
now, yeah.
No, I'm talking here.
I'm sorry, Arda. So, ganun pala. So, you have to like, friend the ChatGPT. So, until now, hindi pa natatapos yung conversation namin. Because I'm telling him, oh, you know what? I think you can add like this. Okay, for 30, can you do it in 40 days? Something like that. So, dire-diretso naman siya. But because that is free account, it's going to limit you. Especially kung sobrang ganda ng content, it's going to limit you to use that for a day. So, hintayin mo the next day. Ganyan. So going back to TikTok po, probably I'm just gonna remind you guys two things before I'm going to show that video. Hold on. I'll just share my screen po. There are two things that we have to remind. So, may question pala. All right. Two things po here. Okay. This is posted here po. This is posted here in the DA team chat. This is Daniel, I think, Dimakale, 6A16-5. So a senior distributor in Enagic po, and he's going to host a meeting po in October. And this guy, I think one of the mastermind, he presented something for us because he's a friend now of Mike and Darren, and he's going to host one. This is not for the Dream Team. This is under Enagic. And if you can attend po, I also posted the link to register. That will be in October 7, okay, 5 p.m. Now, I also posted the Enaji convention. And like I said po, make this one as your holiday next year. Kasi there's two major events. It never happened before. And this will be the second time pa lang ng Dream Team to host Dream Team convention. And why are we going to save a lot of money? Why? Kasi one location lang. They're going to host the event, Dream Team and Energic, in one location. What are you going to benefit from this one? Madami po. Nuggets, experiences, yung top leaders, sharing information, mga host din. And then, yung experience natin, magkakasama tayo, right? What else? Yun pong ile-leverage nyo sa business nyo when you post. There's so many. So like I said, if you're planning to do a holiday, isama nyo na to, San Diego. Lalo ng mga taga-USA and lapit. Di po ba? So, you're going to save $100 if you're going to buy or reserve this ano na. Refundable naman to, pero wag niyo i-refund. But this is $199. After, like next year, it'll be $299 na. Mas mataas na. And, alam ko 2 day session to if I'm not mistaken. And then, 22nd yata. Alright? Last one. We're going to start watching the yes po.
Quick question.
Mhm.
Do we need to pay a separate one aside from $199 for the Dream Team convention?
For
You
sure,
know,
ate. For sure, Dream Team has another fee yan. For
do we
sure.
have any amount like mentioned
Oh,
already?
like, I don't think they mentioned already, ate, kasi next year pa yan eh.
Okay.
Opo. Pero for sure, meron yan. Remember the last time yung convention?
Yeah.
Kasi they're going to rent a place and then they're going
Yeah.
to feed us and then the freebies, this and that. Yung host pa. Yun ang mahal kasi. Not host, presenters na nire-rent. So for sure, meron yan. Ito muna yung inuna ko. Nag-reserve lang naman ako. I didn't pay for my husband na kasi the last time I paid for my husband and then di naman sila umattend. So, just waste of money. So, even if they're let's say he's gonna come, I don't think he's gonna attend the event. Just, this one. Trying to save $100. Alright? So, the link is posted po there to remind you. Now, you can also see this in your portal. If you haven't opened your portal po, there is a tab in the training site. Actually, at the beginning pa lang of the training tabs there is a prompt to create your portal na. And there's so many informations there. Okay? Now, there's 2 videos po that I'm going to see. I'm like, this is the one I'm telling you po. So, I befriended TikTok after watching the 2 hours. See? Sabi ko, can you write me a script? May Tagalog pa. San ka pa? So, if I'm going to create a video, ito na sasabihin ko, kung ikaw nurse, I have information. That's how you're gonna do it now. Pero I'm not going to discuss this part. Let's start with TikTok so you can create an account. 2 videos po. Okay, this is 11 minutes and the other one is 20 minutes because we have a lot of time anyways. But do you have any questions so far po? Oh, okay. Let's start with creating an account for here. Okay. And then I'm gonna remove this picture of us. Any question? All right. And then let me know po if you're hearing the sound. Do you hear the sound po? No.
No.
Okay.
No sound.
But I have to share sound and there. Let me know po again.
New video on the channel.
It's good. It's good,
Good?
Coach. Thank you.
Okay
Yeah.
po. Okay po. I'm gonna play na. This is 11 minutes, around 12.
Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to a new video on the channel. In today's video, we'll be checking out how you can create a business account on TikTok. So what I'll be doing is walking you through the whole process of setting up your account on TikTok and also give you some tips and tricks on things you can think about while creating your account and also creating your content just to make sure that your account really gets.
Okay, hold on po. Okay.
The visibility that you want it to. With that being said, as always, make sure you smash the like button down below just so the algorithm will love this video and push it to everyone else. So everyone else who's wondering how to start a business account on TikTok also can watch this video and get started just like you. But with that being said, let's just jump straight into it and hopefully you guys enjoy. The very first thing you want to do is just make sure you download the TikTok app, and once you have the app downloaded, most likely you already have the app, just make sure you open it up And then once you have opened up the app, this will depend on if you already have a TikTok account or not. If you already have an account or private account, probably that's in your name, what you want to do is just make sure you go over to your profile on TikTok, click add new account. Once you are on that step, and if you already don't have a TikTok account, then this is the page you will land on. Once you are on this page, you want to make sure you don't sign in with either your Facebook or your Apple account, because these in most cases will just be connected to your private profile. And if you're running a business, most likely you don't want the business to be around your name. In some cases, you will have your brand name, you will have your company name, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you have the right name and not just your personal profile straight away.
Most people have no clue that in 2023, the best way to make money on Amazon is not.
What you want to do here is just click on use phone or email at the top. Once you click on that, you will ask for your birth date. On this step, you want to make sure that you put a date that is at least over 18, just to make sure you don't get any kind of restrictions on your account. And if you're running a business, you are most likely over 18 anyways. Just make sure you add a date here, which is over 18. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on the next step. Then it will ask you for either a phone number or an email. In this case, I don't want to add my personal phone number to this specific business account. So what I'll do is just go over to email address, and then here I can easily sign up directly with your company email. If you don't have a company email, you can just set one up. You can go to Gmail, for example, set up a Gmail account, and then you can use that Gmail account to create your TikTok account. So what I did here is just added my YouTube name here. So let's say I want to create an actual TikTok for my YouTube channel. This is the email I would use. So I would just go ahead and click on next. Now this will probably send me an email notification straight away as well. And then here we'll have to verify. So let's just go ahead and do our verification here. So add it to the right spot. Very advanced. Thank you. Thank you. Then here you can just go ahead and add a password to your new account. Make sure it is secure. I know most people tell you this already, but really do make sure that you have a safe password specifically for your business account, because you never know who will get the access to your account. So just make sure you have a good password for your account. Once you have a password, you can just go ahead and click on next. Then you will get an email just like this. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you. The next step will be to pick your business name or your username for the TikTok platform. And here is where you want to make sure you're using your company name. Let's say my company name is my YouTube channel, so that would be Who is Boban. If that is what I want to use for my TikTok account, I would just put it right here. Hopefully your business name is not taken already. If it is taken, you could potentially reach out to the user that owns that name. And unless that person is a famous person or has a lot of followers, most likely they will offer you the account either for free, or you can buy it for, let's say, $100 if they're being very cheap. But obviously if you have a big brand and they own your name on TikTok, they'll probably ask you for a lot of money. And I know some people have had paid $10K for just their username on a platform such as TikTok. So make sure you get your name, even though you're not going to use the TikTok platform, just make sure you have that name certified and you have the account, so you're the actual owner, because in case you want to have an account in the future, it's always good to have that brand name. Anyways, I'll pick Who is Boban, and then I will just go ahead and click on sign up. Once we have signed up, you can see that we have our profile right here. So the very first thing you probably want to do is probably going to be to update your profile picture. So for your profile picture, I would recommend you to either have your logo or at least a picture which is relevant to your brand. If you don't have a logo which is already fitting in terms of the TikTok format, what I would recommend you to do is go ahead and use Canva or another photo editing app, just to make sure you get an image that actually fits TikTok and looks good on the platform itself. In order to change your image, what you do is just go ahead and click on edit profile right here. And at the very top, you can see change photos. What we'll do is just change photo here. And then what I'm going to do is just upload a new photo here. So for me, because this is going to be sort of a personal account, it's not really that much of a brand. The brand itself is really me. So what I'll do here is actually have a selfie. I think this picture here in the mountains look good. So then you can just reformat to make sure, in this case, I'm the logo in this case, I guess. But if your logo doesn't fit here, you just make sure you get a new picture that actually fits. You can see this is a bit off center, so I can try to center this image a little bit. So I actually am in the middle of this picture, and I think that's pretty centered enough. So what I'll do is just go ahead and click on save right here, and then we'll have our image uploaded to our profile. Once you have updated your profile picture, you can see that we also have the option to add a bio to our TikTok profile. So if you go ahead and click on the bio option, you can essentially create a bio or description similar to what you have on Instagram and other platforms. Right here, you can add something that is at least descriptive of what your business is doing. So if you are a lawn mowing company, you can add something about lawn mowing here, something that might be a bit catchy or maybe a bit funny. Maybe you have a company slogan, you can add that in right here. Maybe you're selling shoes, you would have something about shoes. In my case, I am a YouTuber, so I would add something about YouTube here. So probably, okay, so for my description or my bio, added digital marketing, entrepreneur / YouTuber, free content. Maybe not the best bio, but in this case, it's a quick bio, it works, and this will probably do just fine for now. So what I'll do is just go ahead and click on save up here, and then we have our bio all done. Then at the very bottom, you can see that you have your Instagram and also your YouTube option, which might be interesting if you already have an Instagram account or if you have a YouTube account. For me, in this case, it will be relevant for me to add my YouTube account here. So users on TikTok easily can go from TikTok and then go over to my YouTube content and watch more long form content. In this case, what I'll do is I'll connect my YouTube account right here. So I'll just click on the YouTube one, and then we'll ask you to sign into your YouTube account. So I'll do that right now just to connect it to my TikTok. As you can see, I now added my YouTube account right here, and I also want to connect my Instagram account as well. So what I'll do is I'll do the same. I'll just click on the Instagram one right here, and then I'm gonna connect my Instagram as well. Once that is done, you can see that our profile has now been updated. We have our bio right here. We have the link to our YouTube as well as Instagram. And then we have obviously the bio once again, digital marketing entrepreneur, YouTuber, free content. And there you go. Your profile is pretty much all done and ready to go. In some cases, you might have the question about how do I add a link to my website on my profile? In this case, TikTok is still testing this feature and only has a limited amount of users that are actually allowed to link directly to their website. So in this case, you will actually have to wait until you get this feature. Once you get it, you'll be able to add your link right here. So people or users can actually click on your link from your profile and go to your company website and buy whatever you're selling or buy your service. So that will be a feature that will be coming up. Now, the final thing you might want to do to your profile right here is go up to your settings in the corner. Once you are in the settings, you want to go to manage account. Once you are in manage account, you will see something that is called to switch to pro account. And switching to the pro account will essentially give you more analytics behind your accounts. You'll have more stats to follow. This is perfect if you're running a business because you can actually see what is working, what's not working, and you can have more of an in-depth look on what's going on with your account and what you should be focusing on more. What I'm going to do is actually just click on the switch to pro account right here, and that will open up the further settings. So let's just wait until that loads. Once that has loaded up, you can switch to either a creator or a business. In this case, I would be a creator. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. Then right here, you'll have a category, and this will be similar if you chose business right here. Just make sure you pick a category that is relevant to your business or whatever you're doing. Just make sure it's relevant. So let's see if I can find something that is relevant here. I do talk about business and marketing. So let's see if we do get something here. We have food and cooking, IT, high tech, public figure, shopping, retail. We don't really have anything that's super relevant here. So what I will do is just go ahead and click on education. I'm teaching you this right now, so I guess that counts as education. So let's just go ahead and click on education for now. And then I would pick my gender. So I'll pick male and then just click on done. Once that is done, you can see welcome to your creator account, who is Bobbin. So we can explore analytics here and also click on done. So if you do click on explore analytics, obviously, we will not have anything so far because we haven't posted anything. But right here, you can see that you have some additional overview in terms of what's going on with your account. And you can also have the last 7 days, 28 days, 60 days. Once all that is done, just go out there, create your content on TikTok, and good luck with your content. If you want more content like this, and if you want more tips on TikTok, such as how to find the best tags to use, and how to do research in terms of tags that are better fitting for your brand, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, because this is content that will be coming up. That is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like down below, and also leave a question if you have any in the comments. And also, if you want to, please do check out my social media where you can connect to me, ask me.
Okay, so I stopped the video already because it's more ano na promotion. Any question po on how to create, or if you created account naman na. So that's how you're going to create. Hello?
What do you who never what they unbid there?
Sorry. I have to like mute everyone. Yeah. Any question po? Unmute if you have any question. Who has TikTok account na po? Who has TikTok? Wala pala akong video. Who has TikTok account na?
Ang TikTok account ko, I didn't create it based on like, a business account. Basta lang, actually, ang anak ko yung nag-create ng TikTok.
Also, you have the business account because that's free naman anyways, right? The business
No,
account.
but it's not business account though. Parang
It's
personal
personal.
lang.
Creator account, you mean?
Yeah,
Creator
parang
account.
ganun lang.
Because
Yeah.
there's two. Creator
Yeah.
account and business account. I still have to study what's the difference between the business account and creator. I think if it's a business account, you can link, eat well, Ate Sally. Ano pong ulam? Adobo. Ate Sally. Yeah, so this is, di po ba? No, this is how we do the business talaga eh. I mean, kung mamaya po, while watching the mastermind, I'm going to eat na nga eh, kasi I have sumpa. So, I have to study lang what's the difference between the creator. Wala pa ako masyadong information about the creator account and the business account. But, I learned, that's the reason why I switched, kasi you can switch. If you have the creator account, you can switch there to, or personal account, you can switch to business. And I just switched to business. Why? Because I want, if I gained 1,000 followers, I can link my website on top.
Mhm.
That's the reason why. So if you have the business account, you can link your website on top na.
Does it
That's the
make
reason.
like, and ano yun, pag inilink mo sa account mo, yung business account mo, kasi inilink ko yung aking Instagram sa aking Facebook, right? So sometimes I'm getting a message from my business suite from Instagram. I said, oh my God, am I getting charged for this?
Sorry po, your Facebook to Instagram, you mean?
Yeah. So there is a business in Instagram, right?
Apo.
So I
Yes,
link
ate.
that to my business account na. So whenever I check on my business suite, I see some messages on my business suite from the Instagram, like that I link to my business.
Yeah.
My question is, am I getting charged for that? Like, if
I don't
I'm
think
getting,
so. I
don't
think I think all the charges po goes to the advertising. All the charges goes to advertising. But there are different features po with the business account. Same with TikTok. So business account po in, let's say, you cannot, I'm not sure po but I think that's the reason why I switched. So you can link your website on top. I'll show you later kung ano po yan. You can link that pag nakuha mo na yung 1,000, at least 1,000 followers. So right now, I'm gaining pa eh. And the only way to gain, may second video pa po, this is longer, pero yun ang mga tips. Ito pa lang yung how to create. If you don't have an account in TikTok, start creating na. This is recorded. So you can follow that. But that was like years ago, yung how to create an account. Meron man sigurong a little update or changes. Still, it will look the same on how to create an account. And I never ever, ako po personally, in any app or any website that I'm going to create an account, I don't link my Facebook po. I always create an account using my email. Isang email lang, my personal email. Kasi I have like how many Yahoos, how many Gmails? I have like 5, I think. So I only use yung Yahoo ko na I was using like long time ago, nung nasa London pa ako, nung araw, charot. Super luma na. And I'm just changing the password po as in super secured. For example, how I create. I have to remind you how to create a password eh. I have a notebook with all my passwords because I cannot remember any password. As in, because I'm not using one password in all accounts. Dun po kayo mahahack. Pag nahack isang account nyo and you are using same password, lahat ng accounts nyo are hacked. Okay? So how I create my password, I'm gonna like look around me on my table and see what's in there. Let's say, oh, there's like a glue there. What's the name of the glue? And then I put number. So that's the name of my password. No one is going to, find out what is that password. It's not related to my birthday. It's not related to my name, to my address back home, address here, location, whatever. So nothing at all. Parang no clue at all on how they're going to like hack your password, right? Unless hacker talaga sila. Now, going back to that ate, like I said, the only reason why I switched to the business kasi mas maraming features and the analytics. Analytics is like analysis or parang result or report about your posting, what time do you have to post, meron bang result yung pinost mo, may effect ba, may na-attract ba? Those are the analytics. And I think those analytics are for the business account. I'm not sure with the creator account pa. So if it's free, then why not create a business account? Because anyways, we're going to link all those people that are successful selling whatever they are selling online that I'm following, I'm getting information from about TikTok. They are using, I think, the business account because they have link there of their website or whatever they are selling. That's the reason why. Okay? Any more question po before we're going to proceed to the second video? That is 20 minutes longer than the other one. So if you don't have any account yet po, because I know some of you are posting na. It's just that if hindi pa, I mean, it's not good daw kasi to delete your old post eh. Kaya you're going to see my post pa even I started like years ago yata and I'm doing that duet. Kasi my hobby is like, di ba, duet dun. Puro kalokohan dun na joke, trend. Yun yung ginagawa ko before the trend. But now I'm gonna like mix both. Because whatever, remember po, not only in TikTok, even in Facebook, Instagram, remember po, you are not posting about yourself. You have to provide value. Ano ba yung value? Sometimes parang, di ba, parang it's a cliche. Ano ba yung value? What? Am I going to become a teacher and educate people? People ba? Social media personality, right? I'm not a vlogger, this and that. Ano ba yung value? Value about your business. Let's say, Ate Virgie, I'm doing this business. You don't have like talk. Ito nga po yung sabi ko kay Ate Eden. Now, I got the idea na and technique of video recording myself. This is pre-recorded. This is a recorded video unlike the live ones. Now, you are caught in the act na in the live video, whatever you say there, that's it, right? So, whatever you say there, in the live video, wala, hindi mo na ma-edit yan. You cannot edit that anymore. That's live. Whereas sa TikTok, they are all pre-recorded. Yung videos, they have series pa nga eh. Kaya nga I created About Me. Ang daming series. Okay, let's go to part 1. May ganun-ganun pa ako. Pero isang recording lang yan. I'm just gonna edit that. Can you imagine your video ad? You're going to divide that lang in like 10. So, in one video na meron siguro akong around 20-minute video about me, I'm from Nueva Ecija, yada, yada. 2 minutes, part 1. Okay, let's go to part 2. Tapos po-post lang ako kunwari, and then same video lang din yun. Same video, i-edit ko yun. Ang kailangan po sa TikTok, at least, kung gusto mo mag-grow talaga, 3 posts in a day. Eh, yung video ko, 20 minutes. Can you imagine ilang minutes yun? Na i-divide ko? Wala na. Di nakuha ko na yung technique. Eh, di po ba, the reason why some other people are not comfortable doing live? Kasi that's live. You cannot filter anything there. Whatever you're gonna say. Eh, tapos yung sasabihin mo pa, let's say you are cooking. What are you talking about? Are you talking about the business while you are cooking? Or are you talking about whatever you are cooking? Right? So what is the value you are putting out there? There's no value. Diba? How am I going, let's say I'm a follower, or let's say I got interested in your video and then I check your account. What are you talking about in that video? How to cook? Are you a cook? Diba? And you are a digital marketing business owner. So you are doing a digital marketing business. That's the reason why po. So if you keep on doing that consistently and talking about the business, perks, there's so many perks po eh. Perks or benefit. Diba? You can, a business on the go, you can do 1 to 3 hours a day. Remember po, talaga naman 1 to 3 hours a day to eh. Bawasan nyo lang yung distraction nyo. Promise, I just realized that. Minsan kasi, bakit parang whole day ko nang ginagawa yung business? Gumagawa ka sa Canva, 8 hours ka sa Canva, isa lang naman post gagawin mo. Eh, sige, scroll. Na-consume ka na nung Canva. Or let's say TikTok. Tuwan-tawa si Ate Maylin. Kasi that's the reality. Pag nasa Canva ako, I wanna create all the templates there. Oh my God, ang ganda. Oh my God. Wala na, hindi ka pa nakapost. Ay, tapos, so you have to talagang prioritize muna yung, you have to avoid distraction. Kasi dun ka nga po ma-exhaust eh. So, we wanna avoid yung mistake po sa TikTok. That's the reason why we're talking about this. We wanna avoid that exhaustion. Or some of you, I heard from some of you doing live every day, and after 1 month, you didn't get any result and you got exhausted. Oh, the business is not gonna work for me. Right? So we have to plan how are we going to commit that 3 posts a day in TikTok to gain attention and gain following. So this one will work. How? Pre-record na. Pre-record, mag-record ka na ng video because that's not the only one you're going to post naman eh. If you are a nurse po, we have like bank nurses, di po ba ate? So we have like, if we need staff, there's bank nurses there. So kukuha kami nurse. Ganun din sa business natin. We have bank photos. Sa cellphone ko, I have so much photos. I have so much videos na. So I'm going to insert lang. Pero once you schedule na, I think, I've been researching how am I going to schedule sa TikTok. You can schedule yata using the computer. So TikTok in the computer. Not on the phone. I'm not sure this is something new for me. Kasi kung if we can schedule the post in TikTok, mas maganda. Remember po because I'm seeing some of you doing lives na. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes. Did you gain any comment why there or like message me? Did you get anything? Sometimes no. Why? Because you're talking about, oh, this is my dog, or oh, this is what I'm going to cook today. And ano naman business information? What's the value? So yun yung value. Yun yung value you are putting, out there to your followers. What are you talking about in your video? Kaya, we have to plan from the ChatGPT, what are you gonna talk in the video? Hindi yung you're just gonna talk about me and then maya-maya naman, is on the result. Ala, halipat ka na ng ibang topic. If your topic mo, first off, ang unang-una, the first thing that you're going to post in your TikTok account is about me. Kasi introduction eh. Why are you out there? Diba? You're not just a content creator. You have a business. Some of you, I even saw Ate Maylin, MAIT. Like, MAIT. Diba? Observation, right?
I did not create that because actually it's my son who created it. I did
That's
not
why.
plan for that. Yeah, that's why the name is different.
And it takes time
That's
pa.
good.
It takes time pa sa details po. Even the details, I just realized that I just changed my name nga eh. Because before, it's Anne living her dream, and it doesn't make sense. Ngayon, parang gusto ko ng Coach Anne, yung nakikita ko. So when somebody sees my name, oh, Coach, may business to. And then when they're gonna scroll through my post, they're gonna see I'm talking about the business. Business information, hindi lang naman about the Dream Team business eh. I'm gonna talk that, you know what, anyone can earn from digital marketing. Ano ba yung digital marketing? And you think, I'm so talino na, I know about digital marketing. No, I'm gonna go to Google. Give me some information about digital marketing. Babasahin ko muna yan. And then I'm gonna do a video. There's so many digital marketing that anyone can learn from in Tagalog kasi gusto ko Tagalog doon or Taglish. And then sasabihin ko na you can do affiliate marketing where you're going to promote products. Kaya lang maraming following yun. Di naman ako viral. Di naman ako social media personality. So hindi para sa akin yan. Dito na lang ako sa digital marketing where I don't have to I don't have to sell. I don't have to recruit. And kahit wala akong following, okay lang. Hindi mo kailangan ng 30 minutes na go live dun, Ate Dit. But you're talking about the business. And where those informations came from? Doon sa nabasa mo sa Google. Nagbasa ka muna. Or napanood mo sa iba. Kaya nga po, I learned na yun sa TikTok kasi I'm scrolling lang lahat ng may result na I sold $1 million, 2 million. Sila yung pina-follow ko. And I'm getting information. Paano ko gagayahin yung mga post nila. But applying to my business, so that's what I'm gonna do na talaga. Because I created a lot of videos. And now, I don't do live. E sasabihin ko na, oh, I'm here in the mountains. Today is that. No. It's recorded. No one's gonna find out kailan ko ni-record yun. Kailan yun. Ang importante lang naman, the important thing is the topic that I'm talking about.
So did you
Okay?
change your clothes, coach?
Meron pong, for example, it depends on the topic. Let's say for one
Okay.
topic, I'm talking about mentorship. Why it's important? Kasi mentorship is important because those people are well experienced about that, whatever aspect they are teaching you. They can advise you. I mean, you can start on your own, but it will be hard. In Tagalog po, like I said, in Tagalog. And ang plano ko pa, I'm gonna do English and Tagalog version. But I'm always gonna put in the caption, ano yung content ng video. So that kahit di pa sila nanonood, even if they're not watching yet, they're just scrolling my post, they can learn na which one information. Kasi napapansin ko, if it's a wrong caption, my viewers is so low. Like, do it for yourself. Diba? Doesn't make sense. Sana sinabi ko na doon na, why one should start a digital business and earn, sana, diba? Catchy pa. So it has to be catchy. Okay, any question po? I'm gonna proceed with the second
So
video.
my question ako, coach, what do you use for editing the video?
Yeah. Oh, I'm using,
CapCut or VideoLip?
I'm studying CapCut pa because it's free, although merong paid din ang CapCut. Like I said po, I've been using the VideoLip that I purchased way back 2019 pa. Cheap pa that time kasi it's one-time purchase. Parang less than, parang $60 ko lang binili. And sobrang ganda na ng VideoLip ngayon. I'm not sure if you have VideoLip in Android kasi that was the issue before with Coach Janine, remember? She was using that Android and she doesn't have that VideoLip. So I'm using that one VideoLip because I can extract the sound. I can remove whatever sound there sa VideoLip. And like I said, it's free for me. But sa TikTok account, there is an app connected to them, which is the CapCut. You just have to study.
Canva din, mayroon na.
Oh, Canva din po. Yeah. I mean, I think the next time, sa next Wednesday na, how you're going to create that video clip na. Okay? From your post.
Very difficult.
Yeah. No, I'm using Canva. Most of the time, VideoLip. Minsan po, combination of both. Kasi sa VideoLip po, I can choose different templates. I think in CapCut, you can as well. But like I said, I have no idea on how to use CapCut because my comfort zone is my VideoLip, right? So,
okay.
that's one.
Thank you.
Welcome po. Ate Maria Flora. One of these days po, because this Wednesdays now, this is the one I'm gonna teach you now. Something practical application for free advertising. That's my focus now, content creation. Why? Because some other coaches can direct you, your direct coach, can direct you in the training site. If you want to learn like boosting, mindset, nandun na sila sa training site. And this is something new. Parang I had to study outside the training site and then teach you. Why? Because we are focusing the free advertising to gain following. Matama lang. Matama lang yung ginagawa natin. Right? Merong isang, let's say, ang galing niya mag-live, oh my God. Pero talking about, what? Talking about what? Business. So we had to plan, okay? We only have 5:14 only. I want to play. Ate Maria Flora, by my question. You're raising your hand earlier, Ate?
Yeah. It's
Apo.
it's similar to Sis Divine.
Oh,
So
the
it's what video. So because I'm making the video, it's hard for me to edit it because I'm using the iPhone and the
Apo.
Beauty Plus. So I don't know how to cut it
Oh.
you answered it already with a
sige
video,
po.
which is the best apps to use.
For me
VideoLip.
talaga, that's my comfort zone na kasi I've been using it 2019. It's so
Yeah.
easy to remove all the sound. It's so easy to add the available sound. It's so easy to cut the video. It's so easy to cut the sound. So easy for me. Master ko na. I've been doing your videos na video ad nyo from that app alone itself.
Yeah.
Ang mahirap lang doon is the captions, pero they have also captions. One of these days po, I'm gonna do, like I said, all the Wednesdays now are all something new that you can benefit from. All practical application. Tama na natin yung boosting. Okay? Hindi tayo makakuha ng results sa boosting. Ang kailangan natin, how are you gonna do the business for you to get results? I know we have to get motivated. Isang araw, I woke up, I was so negative, and then you know what? Hanap ako agad sa YouTube. While making my coffee, YouTube play, how to stay positive, and then na-boost ako, oh my gosh, ay positive ako, let's switch. I have to do it myself. Walang ibang pwedeng makagawa. No one can push me to like, you have to be positive, and no, ikaw lang makakagawa ng sarili. But you have to learn and hear from mga expert people before ka, oh my God, that's so true. Kay Mel Robbins pa naman yun nadinig. Mel Robbins. If people around you are so negative, kailangan you have to protect your bubble. Diba? You have to protect your bubble kasi mabilis it's contagious. Negativity is so contagious. Right? And I'm
It
always
is very contagious.
very
Oh my God.
contagious. Now, it's very, very, like I said, we only have very limited time. Tapos magbo-boosting pa tayo. Or baka yung nakausap mo pa sa team, negative siya, nahawa ka. Wag na. Mag-coffee ka at mag-aral ka ng TikTok, yung recording nito, yun ang aralin mo at gumawa ka ng content. Di ba sabi nga ni McCallum, do income-generating activities. Podcast kasama yan because you're gonna learn. Alam niyo po kung saan ako nakikinig sa mga millionaires and billionaires, yung mga podcast nila. Wala na ako yung mga crime stories, yung kay Puff Diddy, nababasa ko. So wala na ako niyan because it's not gonna
Rosana
help me.
Roses.
It's not gonna help me. Tulfo, wala. Netflix, even Netflix, every time we're gonna turn on the TV, ako lang po because I wanna focus muna here in TikTok. Once, you know, it started and then I'm posting like 3 times a day na, and then I can switch to once in a while watching TV because the TV kills the dreams. Why? Because one movie is 2 hours. You think makakapag-focus ka in watching TV if you are holding your computer? Hindi ko rin nakikita TV kung ano yung movie it's all about. That's the reason why, oh my gosh, no. It's a matter of how you're going to prioritize naman. If you wanna get results, dito tayo sa income-generating activities, podcast. So if you're negative, listen to expert people on how to switch. Kasi pag naghanap ka sa team mo and pareho kayo negative, nag-combine forces pa kayo. Ending up, magkukwit na lang tayong dalawa. Ay, kagaling. Palakpakan. So, one of these days po yung video lip, I'm gonna show you how to, ha? Kasi, ang ganda nun. Kaya lang, it's paid kasi. But, I'm also gonna show yung Canva because it's free. Okay po, let's proceed to the second video na po, ha? What do you use to edit the video? Yeah. Yes po. Canva and video lip. That's all, I think. Yeah. I'm trying to study pa Canva so you don't have to buy na video lip eh. Second video is this. Oh, exit. All right, this one. Okay, after you created your TikTok account, this is the second one.
A lot of people believe that you have to get lucky in order to be successful on TikTok.
So this is 19 things I wish I knew when I started TikTok. Okay. I'm just gonna move this one here.
That the algorithm is just randomly picking people to go viral, and there's nothing that you can do as a creator to be successful. And if
Please do not sleep. This is very important po. Very, very importante.
I'm honest, I used to think that too. I was creating videos that were stuck at 200 views, and I knew the content was good. I knew it helped my clients and it was going to help my viewers, and I was so frustrated that the algorithm wasn't picking up my content. So I did what most people do. I listened to the gurus, I created a bunch of new accounts, hoping one of them would magically go off, and what I eventually realized was that I wasn't failing because the algorithm wasn't picking me to go viral. It was because there were things about TikTok that I didn't understand yet, and now that I've figured them out, I'm going to break them all down for you. Today, I'm going through what I believe are the most important things for you to be able to grow on TikTok, even if you are a complete beginner. And this video is packed. So grab a notebook. Don't be afraid to pause the video. Let's get into it. Number one, you have to post every day. This is number one because, one, it is the message I needed for myself today, but it's also the most important thing that you can do. Posting every day builds momentum. It allows you to learn and fail forward fast. It proves that you are a consistent creator and will make you more successful on TikTok. Look, I didn't want to record this video today. I deal with this too. But I sat down and I recorded. I made the video because I have made a commitment to grow on this platform and to show up for you guys on YouTube. And it's the same thing on TikTok. If you want to grow on TikTok, you have to post every day. You have to have that consistency. Post at least once. It only takes a couple of minutes. It's very easy to do.
Back in 2022, I lost two very important people in my life. Big figures. It really wasn't until February.
Number two, consistency doesn't just mean posting every day. It also means consistency of what you are posting, consistently posting about the same topic. People freak out about the idea of niching down, but the reality is if you are posting about one theme or one set of related topics that are speaking to a specific individual and what they are interested in, you are going to be wildly more successful. One, because the people that follow you and the people that see your videos are going to keep coming back for more because they know that they can always come to you for that hit of whatever the juice is that you bring, whatever the information, the education is that you bring, they can depend on you for it. But beyond that, it helps the algorithm figure out what you are about, who to show your videos to, and you are going to reap the rewards in the way of views and virality. Number three, you have to do the research. I feel like I've been saying this a lot in videos lately where people comment and they're like,
Mike, I'm implementing everything in your videos and it's not working. I'm still stuck at 200 views.
And then I grab my phone, I go and I look at their profile and they're not doing what I teach. They're not doing it. It's very clear that they're not researching. They're posting whatever the heck they want. And so what I want for you is to adopt the mindset of YouTube creators on TikTok. On YouTube, the culture is that we go research and see what's working so we can grow as quickly as possible because we all know when we sit down to grow on YouTube that it's going to take time. And maybe it's the fact that you can be an overnight success on TikTok that makes us feel like we don't have to research. We just have to post and we'll magically go viral. But like those days are gone. You can still go viral, but you have to be strategic. So just like on TikTok, where we research what our competitors are doing and what worked for them, the best titles, the best thumbnails, we look up the keywords and we see what are the ones that have a lot of search volume and have low competition. We need to be doing that research on TikTok as well. But the research on TikTok is so much easier because all you need to do is look at the other creators in your space that do talk about the same things that you do, follow them, look at their videos in the feed, and check their profile every couple of days and see what are the outlier videos. What are the videos that are getting a ton of views for them compared to the normal amount of views they get? Then pay attention to what those videos are about, how long they are, all of that kind of stuff, but especially those topics and the hooks that they use, and then go make your version. It's not that difficult. You also want to be researching the trends because if you jump on a trend, it's going to give you a little extra boost and make it more likely for you to go viral. And if you go viral, you're getting followers, you are getting leads, you are getting sales. It's very helpful. So if you want to learn more about how to research and find the trends, I have another video on that. You can check it out here. Number four, you need to post more. Posting more means you grow faster. You might see people saying, hey, you need to post 3 to 5 times a day. You really don't need to do that. I only posted 1 time a day to go from 0 to 10,000 followers, and I did that in under 60 days, and I've helped a lot of my other clients do that as well. But it is a fact that when I started posting more, when I started posting 2, 3 times a day, I started to grow faster because I was giving myself more shots, more opportunities to get that viral video. And most importantly, I was putting more out there to find out whether the video or the hook or the idea worked or didn't work. And I was able to focus on what was working and use that data to learn and improve faster, which allowed me to make better videos, go viral more often, and grow even more quickly. As soon as you can get to where you post consistently every single day, start posting more often. But there's 2 caveats to this. Number 1, do not sacrifice your research to post more. It's not worth posting 3 to 5 times per day if you're sacrificing your research and making sure that you're finding what is working in your niche and creating videos around that. I would much rather you only post 1, 2, 3 times per day and do the research. Number 2, there is a limit to this. If you start posting 5, 6, 7, 9 times a day, it might work for a little bit, but one day you're going to post that 7th video and you're going to get 0 views because the algorithm is going to think that you're a spammer and they are going to punish you for it. Number 5, you need to take imperfect action. And I'm about to go through a couple of things that don't matter that you're stressing about, so you don't have to worry about them anymore and you can take that action. But it's really important that you just make and post videos and that you don't worry about the numbers that are there. If you have a video that gets no views or gets low views, who cares? Go on to the next one. Don't delete it. Just keep making videos. Keep doing the research. Keep trying things. Then, this is the next point, focus on your winners. You will learn so much more from your videos that are successful than the ones that didn't work. Don't worry about the ones that didn't work. Who cares? Move on. Once you have a winner, do more of that. Keep making videos on that topic because clearly it's working for you. Make more videos in that length using that format. Do more of the stuff that works and you're going to grow fast. Now, let's knock out 2 things that you're overthinking that are slowing you down and preventing you from taking imperfect action. First, when should you post? The answer is it doesn't matter. Posting times do not matter. I don't care what you're hearing other people say about needing to post at specific times. I can tell you from what I've done and from the clients that I've worked with that it has 0 impact. There's a lot of things that are more important than posting time, which I'm going to get into in a second. The second one is hashtags. Hashtags will not make you go viral. I'm going to explain to you in a little bit how to use hashtags because they can help you slightly, but you shouldn't be stressing about this. Just don't use the FYP hashtag. Use hashtags related to what your video is about and don't overthink it because the most important thing when it comes to successful videos are good ideas. Let's talk about the 3 most important things when you're creating a YouTube video. The first one is the idea because if you don't have a good idea, nobody's going to watch the video. The second thing is the title and the thumbnail because that's what gets somebody to click on the video. And if your idea combined with your title and thumbnail can't even get somebody to click on the video, then YouTube will stop giving you impressions and you won't get the views. And then finally, the first 30 seconds of a YouTube video are essential. And you see that in the analytics curves where it like starts up top, and a lot of times, especially in educational content, you'll lose like 50% of your audience in the first 30 seconds. So the better that you're able to hook them and keep their attention in the first 30 seconds, the more people are going to stay and watch more of the video. And that watch time leads to the big views on YouTube. Now, all of these things are true of TikTok as well. If you don't have a good idea, your video will not succeed on TikTok. People have to be interested in what you're talking about because if they're not interested, they're just going to swipe on past and then your video is going to die. The difference on TikTok is that we don't have a title or thumbnail to grab their attention. Instead, they're just scrolling through their feed. Your video pops up and you have to get them to stop scrolling. And one of the easiest ways to do that is with what you're putting on the screen. And so I really like to use a big text headline over my head that has something that's going to make them go, I want to check this out and listen a little bit. So that way you can earn the first 3 seconds of the video. This is the equivalent of the first 30 seconds on YouTube. This is where you have to hook them. You literally have about 3 seconds where the words that you say have to get them interested so they will continue watching your video, whether it's an 8-second video, a 30-second video, or a minute-plus video. But it all starts with a good idea. So you need to make sure you're doing that research and getting great ideas for your video based on what's already proven instead of just trying to make stuff up and hope it works. Now, the reason I talked about that headline and the first 3 seconds is because watch time is what matters most to getting views on TikTok. And it's not just how long they watch the video, it's the percentage of the video that they watched. And so if you have a 5 to 8 second video and they watch 100% of it, there's a good chance that that video is going to go viral. But if you have a 1-minute video and they only watch 40%, even though that's like 24 seconds of watch time, they're not sticking around for that video. You're not keeping them there with the video you provided. So since that watch time percentage is so much lower, that video is probably going to die off. So creating shorter videos is actually going to allow you to get a higher percentage of watch time and make it easier for you to go viral and grow in the beginning. Now, I'm going to talk about the 2 types of content that you need to be successful later in the video, but for now, just realize go with the shorter video when you're doing your research because it's going to be easier when you're starting out. Now, I already mentioned using the headline to stop the scroll, but there's other ways you can stop the scroll as well. And the biggest one is the hook, which is just the statement that you make, the first thing that you say in the video. You want them to be clear, this video is for me, and you want to get their interest. You want to make them curious. Curiosity is one of the best things that you can do. So if I was creating a video on TikTok about how to grow and get views, I might start with something like why you're not getting views on TikTok, or here's why you're only getting 200 views every time you post on TikTok. If you're not getting views on TikTok, you're probably making one of these 5 mistakes. You hear that and you're like, there's curiosity. I have that problem. What is the reason why? I want to know. And now you're going to stick around and I've got my chance to hold you with the rest of the content and deliver the valuable goods. Another thing that you should do is use the auto caption captions feature on TikTok, because a lot of times people are watching these videos while they're just sitting on the couch scrolling. Maybe they're at the doctor's office for one of their kids, or maybe their wife is watching The Bachelorette. Not that this ever happens to me, but I don't care about The Bachelorette. So I can sit there and sip my bourbon and scroll through TikTok and research my new ideas. And if somebody has captions on their videos, it's a lot easier for me to consume it than to have the sound playing, because she's going to be like, turn it off, I don't want to hear that. I'm trying to figure out who wins the, Golden Bachelor Old Man Sweepstakes. The next thing I want you to know is that TikTok is black and white. If your videos are good, you will get views. If your videos are bad, you will not get views, because every single person on the platform gets 200 to 300 views for absolute free. That way the algorithm can test the performance of your video and decide whether to push it on to other people.
At Fiverr, we offer 3D rendering services. But you probably already know.
So the most powerful thing that you can do to be successful on this platform is to take responsibility for how you're doing. Because if you aren't getting the views, it means that you have room to improve. So if you want to be successful, if you want to grow a business, if you want to grow your views, then you need to look at it not like,
why is this happening to me?
But instead saying like, that wasn't working. I need to figure out how to make it work. How can I improve my content? How can I go do the research to figure out what people actually want to see so I can start to use that to grow my account? Because the substance of what you're talking about might be very good and very valuable, but you might just have it packaged wrong. Now, moving on, there are actually a couple of settings inside of your account that I want to make sure that you have set up correctly, because they can potentially have a big impact on your ability to grow. So if you go to your profile, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the top right to your menu. You're going to go to settings and privacy, and you're going to go to account. And here you want it to say switch to business account, because that means you have a creator account. And that is actually what we want to have. It's really important. It is much easier to grow with creator accounts, because creator accounts get to use the commercial sounds, and all of the trends on TikTok use commercial sounds. So if you have a business account, you can have a link in your profile right away, but you can't use commercial sounds, which means it's harder to grow. Because like I mentioned earlier, trends give you a little push. They give you a little boost and make it easier to go viral by riding that wave. But when you have a creator account, even though you won't get that link in bio until you get to 1,000 followers, you are going to be able to use these trending sounds, and it's a huge advantage. So that's the first thing I want you to do, is I want you to make sure that you have a creator account. It will help you so much. Next, I shouldn't let that go back into settings, and you are going to go down to privacy, and you're going to see suggest your account to others. You're going to click on that, and I want everything to be turned off. And I just want you to think about this. Like, when you're creating, most of your friends, your family, your people that you're connected with on Facebook or inside of your contacts, they're not your ideal viewer or your ideal customer. So we don't want our content being suggested to them. We want the algorithm to suggest it to the strangers that have the interest in the type of content that we're creating. And so we're going to turn all of that off to make sure that the algorithm has to figure out who to show it to. And that way we don't have somebody like our great Aunt Tessie or whatever that ends up watching our video and then she bounces off. She doesn't actually watch it. She watches 5 seconds and it hurts your statistics, and then you're not able to get more views. So these settings are important because they're going to help the algorithm work for you and help you get better results. But there's also some things that you can do to help make the algorithm work harder for you. And that is, you want to take advantage of every tool that you can to make sure that the algorithm understands like what your content is about and who it is for. And there's a lot of different ways that you're going to be able to do that. The first one we already talked about. You need to be talking about the same topics over and over and over. That way they know what you're about and who to show it to. But there's other things that you can do too. And it really comes down to 3 big ones. The first one is that you can use the auto captions and the text on your screen to have those rich keywords that talk about, what the video is about. So if you're talking about a topic and you hit auto captions, you're already talking about those things. And that will help signal to the algorithm what is the video about. The next thing you can do is you can use your hashtags. I told you we were going to come back to this. Your hashtags should be about that specific video. I usually recommend that you have one like cornerstone hashtag. It's the umbrella topic that every single one of your videos is about and that can apply to every video you post. And you're going to use that every time you post. But for the rest of the hashtags, you just want to make sure that you're using 3 to 4 more of them that are specific to that video. Signal what that video is about, and as long as it's on your core topic, then it's going to do well. Don't try to do like the biggest hashtags or like the most ones you think are most viral. Use those hashtags to signal what the video is about so the algorithm can show it to the right person. That is going to help you take advantage of that initial sample group of 20 people and get better results and go have like a higher chance of going viral. And then finally, Don't waste the description. So many people barely put any thought into the description on their videos, like the little text that you're adding at the bottom. Most people aren't going to read that, but that's your opportunity to use a lot of keyword-rich text to help show this is what the video is about. And you don't want to keyword stuff. Strategically use the keywords that your topic is about in natural language. And you can do this with AI tools if you're into that kind of thing, but it's so easy to like talk about. In this video, we're going to talk about why you're stuck in 200 view jail and things that you need to do in order to grow on YouTube and start getting, or not YouTube, to grow on TikTok and start getting more views every single time you post, right? I just gave a bunch of information about what the thing is about. So take advantage of those things. Next, you should be creating 2 types of content because not every single piece of content is meant to go viral. And I like to split things into our growth content that is going to go, hit it big on the For You page, make a bunch of different people discover you for the first time. And then I want to have my trust building content. This is the content that converts, that gets sales, that builds that relationship, that gets people to stay, right? And so the growth content, this is the stuff that grows your account, goes viral. Whereas the trust building content, which is usually that talking head educational video, me explaining to you what you need to do so you can be successful, like that type of content, generally isn't gonna get the big views. It's incremental. Those things will grow over time as you build your audience and you start to get a better idea of the topics that work and the winners from your research and analyzing what's worked on your account. But at first, they are going to get low views, even if your other views are going viral. So we want to separate it into the 2 things. And I would focus mostly on the growth content, do the research, find the outlier content, focus on the short videos with the trending sounds and the text on screen, because those are going to help you grow the most. And for every 2 to 3 of those that you create, do a nice educational video that has a good proven hook that's been successful for someone else in your space already, but don't watch their video. Just take the first 3 seconds, the hook, the idea, the headline on their video, and then do your version of it and give that super valuable information. And don't worry about the videos. Like, those will grow eventually, but what it's for right now is so when someone discovers you, they can then watch that video and really get to know you, really get that value, and that's what leads them to follow and to click the link in your bio and eventually to join your email list and buy your stuff. So short to grow, long to sell. Final tips for you, and these are super important ones. First, create what you want to create and feels good, but make sure you're only creating things that your audience actually wants to see. So I had another video planned for today, and I'm telling you, it was going to be a banger. When I went to my editor, Hudson, he knows my name! He knows my name! Who's doing this video right now, and I showed him all the ideas I had. He saw this one. He was like, you have to do that. It's going to be so good. And it's coming. But I couldn't do it today. I sat down. I was like, I'm not in the mental space for this. I can't do it. I didn't want to post. And so I allowed myself to flow to the topic that I felt I could do. But I was still making a video that was for my audience. It was for y'all and the problems you have and the things that you're trying to learn and the problems you're trying to solve. So I wasn't just posting whatever the heck I want, like I see a lot of you doing. I still posted the things that everybody's asking about in the comments and that I'm finding in my research. I just allowed myself to create the video that felt good to me today that I knew I could get done. And that's true on TikTok as well. But even with that, there's going to be times where you're struggling to create. You're struggling to come up with ideas. Even with the research, you don't really feel motivated. And this next piece of advice is kind of counter to the culture and what people normally say. And that's, you need to consume in order to create. So I really look at my creation and consumption as like this fuel tank. And I've done this before, but this is my battery. And so when you create, you're draining your battery. And eventually you get to a point where you struggle to find ideas, you struggle to find inspiration. And consumption is how you recharge your battery and you fill it back up and get ideas. And so if you are doing a good job of consuming things in your space or even related topics, like for me, I'm talking about how to grow on social media, but if I'm watching other business related topics to help myself, I'm going to make these connections in my mind. And so something they say might trigger an idea for me. That's how I had this idea today. And so you want to make sure you're not consuming too much, because if all you're doing is consuming and you're not taking action, you're never going to get anywhere. You want to be first a creator, not a consumer of content. But if you're stuck, refill the tank, start watching other videos on TikTok. And as you do that, your brain will start to go, and I guarantee you'll find an idea. Now, these are all the lessons that I wish I had known when I first started on TikTok, but in this list, I don't actually go through the strategic step-by-step plan that I would be following to grow on TikTok today. So if you're starting on TikTok or you're just not happy with how quickly you're growing, you might want to check out this video where I show you exactly step-by-step how to grow an account on TikTok from scratch as quickly as possible. And in that video, I even pull out my phone, I show you exactly how to set up your account, how to research your content ideas, and walk you through step by step to creating your first TikTok video so that way it has the highest chance of going viral and getting great views. If you
Okay, done. I missed that one. Hold on. Let me just there's so many nuggets here, hey? Okay, let me just take this. Wait lang po ah. Oh. Okay, I missed that point. All right. So, what do you think, guys? Did you learn something? I learned a lot, diba, from that video alone. There's so many nuggets there po about tips na in TikTok po So I was like taking notes because ang dami niyang mention. Pero sabi pala, you have to start from creator account muna while growing your following. So while he was like talking about that, I switched my business to creator's account ulit, to personal account. Kasi yun yung una. And kasi available yung trending sounds and music that we have to use po eh. So if you are creating videos, di po ba in Canva, you can add up audio in Videolip. I posted po yung video video editor in FLAC. Ay, in FLAC pa. Ang hirap kasi sa FLAC. That's the reason why they're going to dissolve FLAC eh. It's not opening on my phone at all. Kasi punong-puno na ng Dream Team information ang FLAC. That's the reason why it's hard to post there po. But I also posted in DA team page. But you know what? I opened my app store because I'm using iPhone po. So I opened the two apps. So one is Videolip, so I can show you guys. I took a photo so I can send to you. And also I saw there, CapCut po, their users are 62,000 versus the Videolip only 8,000 or 9,000 lang. So we have to study CapCut kasi I think a lot of people are using it in TikTok pala din. So I downloaded already, but I'm not using that CapCut pa. So we have to study. I'm not sure if I can teach everything on next Wednesday because I have to create a slides po on those tips that we got from that video. So I hope you learned something. But what I actually the nuggets that I took from that video is only 20 minutes, and he's correct po, diba? So we have to avoid consuming a lot of watching contents, binging and watching contents, and then you had no time na in creating your own. Because you are getting too much information, I want this, you can watch like all of it, right? And then you ended up not creating any content to post today. It's happening a lot to me. So he's so correct there. So we have to stop being consuming a lot, limit consumption of what you can see or what you can watch just to get information. Of course, we have to research po. We have to research. How are you going to research? Usually po, you can go to those people that are doing lives na in TikTok and also in their Facebook. But stop watching. Let's say Mildred has 2 hours video. You're going to consume 2 hours just to get that video. So there are the obesos talking about for half an hour, 20 minutes, and how to what to talk about in your video. What to talk about in your video, di po ba? About me, most especially. So yung mga ganyan. Next Wednesday, because it's already 5:43, next Wednesday po, I'm going to teach you naman how to use and befriend ChatGPT and then create the contents that you're going to post. Even the captions nga, you can create it. But you just need to learn how to use those prompts and how to friend as if you're asking an expert friend, a mentor, advising you how to do this, what to create, what to talk about. This is my background, create me this, what captions am I going to use? This is too I need to use easy English only for normal everyday people. I usually use that in my prompts. Okay, so in creating your TikTok account po, summary of, the video, that 20 minutes video, you have to use your personal account muna to grow your following. Kasi ako nga, I have less than 200 pa lang kasi I'm checking my followers po. If they are pogi, I have to check for sure they are scammers, so I have to block. So nababawasan yung scammers ko. And some of you and followers, and some of you, we have same followers kasi mga scammers yon. So watch out for that, nakikita ko. And even I can't remember which one, but Ate Lydia, I'm not sure ha. There's one account in TikTok and there are commenters there. Oh, you're doing well. Oh my God. I-block niyo na agad. Block niyo na. Watch your You're not just gonna create your TikTok account and you're just gonna post and you're not going to monitor your notifications po. So check the notification and block those people kasi they are scammers eh. Same scammers in Facebook, they are following me po in TikTok din. Kaya nakakainis. I switched that to private pero yung public na. But that's how you're gonna do it. And then more detailed information on TikTok creation po or TikTok platform next Wednesday. We also have to use hook or caption po in your video because there are videos that, if I'm scrolling, let's say your thumbnail here po, right? There are some thumbnails with names. I know already who is Ate Pauline, Ate Gladys, and then as thumbnail, there's no name. So it's more catchy if there's like a hook or caption there. But you have to study the hooks. We can get that from ChatGPT as well. Create for yourself, like I said, we have to give value to the audience, personal account. Okay. The most important thing in TikTok naman is the watch time. Just like I said, it's much better. Some of the posts po I see are slides, images, right? Like couple of images, and then it's like in Instagram that you're going to scroll to the left and then you're going to like see different images. Those are just variety of what you can post in TikTok, but most of the time they are video clips. So what's the most important thing mentioned po in that video is the watch time. Watch time. So we have to stop the followers, stop scrolling so they can like stay in my video and watch and complete that. That way, the algorithm is going to show your video to a lot of followers. Yun po ang goal. That's the goal. So can you imagine, sabi niya, you can create longer. Nowadays po, longer na yung videos in TikTok eh. That's the trend in 2025 daw. But there are also short video clips like 8 seconds or 9 seconds. But you have to put caption, long story in the video. So people is going to read and consume that 9 minutes and then finish that 100% percentage of watching. If that will happen, if you can keep your followers watching the entire video po because they are still reading there, the captions, right? Remember the text that you are putting? So you have to put a story there so they can stare in that video. It's only 9 seconds and that will retain them in your account. And TikTok is going to show your videos to a lot more people. TikTok lessons, video lip lessons, yeah. Talk on auto captions, personal account, hashtags. Yung hashtags naman, there's one video that I watched. She is suggesting to use, sabi niya kasi diba sa 20 minutes video kanina, yung second video, sabi niya, use one parang umbrella hashtag. Meaning to say, every time you're going to post, parang meron kang palaging hashtag learn to earn online. Or earn from home. Every time na magpo-post ka. So, yun yung umbrella hashtag. Now, sa isang video na panood ko, dapat you have to use, di ba, when you click hashtags, there are like, how many users? Let's say 1.9 million users. And then meron din namang hashtag similar to the one that has massive users. Meron din naman na users na 20,000 lang or smaller users. So, we have to use at least 2 hashtags with big users and 2 hashtag with small users. Or 1 each. Tsaka yung isang umbrella. At least 3 hashtags. Nagets niyo po? Idea? Are you getting the idea? Any question for that? Yun lang napanood ko nung one time. about, yeah. I think that's all about the TikTok. Any question, Paul? We still have 10 minutes. Actually, 8 minutes before the mastermind. Yes, po, Ate Maria Floria, you are muted po, if you can.
I have a question about the hashtag.
Yes po.
Because when I do or create my own hashtag, do we have, you mentioned about with more users,
yes.
But when you click it, it will not show your your video right away. It's a different people. So it's okay to do that?
It's not gonna show your video. It's gonna show the videos that are using the same hashtags. So meaning to say, if some followers po are going to click that same hashtag naman, who knows, they can see your video. Pero like I said, that's the difference po. Sinasabi naman niya, that's the difference of using a hashtag with small users, which has only 10 people or 20 people rather than 1.9 million people. Di po ba? Nagets niyo po? Kaya nga, ang suggestion is use one hashtag that has big users and one with small users. Kasi who knows, if it's only 20 people that is using that same hashtag, mas more likely those 20 people can see your video. You get what I mean? So one or two ang suggestion. I believe we can use five hashtags na ginagamit ko. So sabi niya, one umbrella. Laging, bakit may isang umbrella? Because you are talking about learn to earn online. Learn to earn online or earn from home. Earn from home. Ganun. Every time you're going to post, may isang hashtag na yun. That's the umbrella one. It's up to you kung ano po yun. Or digital marketing. Di po ba? Digital marketing or whatever. And then one hashtag with big users, 1.9 million users, 2 million, and then one with small users naman. Ate. Because most likely, yung small users na yun, if it's only 10 people or 20 or 50, most likely makikita yung video mo. Can you imagine if it's 1.9 million users na merong gumagamit na same hashtag? Ano yung percentage or probability that people are going to see your video? Very less. Very less. So, I believe, based on that explanation po, I would use 2 small users na hashtag and 1 big lang. Kasi most probably, people are going to see less people, less users, with my video, rather than the big users. So, based on that scenario. Okay po. Any more question? Still have 8 minutes. Please register to the mastermind. And this is recorded po. I hope I can convert again into YouTube. Oh yeah. Okay, I was like, I switched the recording. Because there's so many things to discuss so we can apply na eh. And the next Wednesday po, I'm going to show naman yung ChatGPT na sinasabi ko sa'yo. Because like I said, oh my gosh, ito yun look. So, asan na ba kayo? And this is like 2 hours, 2.5 hours na video yata that I watched from that guy. And I learned a lot dito. Ang unang sinabi, ang haba po, look, it's not just one prompt. As in, naging conversation na nabody ko na siya. Natutunan ko. Mamaya magtatanong pa ako dyan. Based on, are you still there? Mga ganun. You're going to be friends nga yung ChatGPT. It's not just a Google that you're going to search, type in, and then you got the information. No. So, ang unang-unang sinabi ko sa kanya dito, because I just copied and follow the one that presented this topic, he's using the AI to grow his business. Can you help me grow my followers in TikTok in 100 to 100K in 1 month? Is that possible? What steps do I have to take to meet that goal? And then sinabi niya ganyan. Ikaw naman, kasi syempre, di ba parang it's random answer from ChatGPT, itong ganito? Ikaw naman, tatanungin mo, how am I going to create high-quality content? Yun naman ang next ko. See? Pero nakalimutan ko pa itanong, how can I maintain consistency? Ganon. What can help me out in consistency? So you have to ask a lot na about those. And sobrang dami ko nang natanong. Sabi ko, okay then, create me 30 in a day. Ang haba nung sinabi ko, sure, this details. Sinabi ko na po, ayan, Alberta, Canada, my brand, kasi tinatanong niya ako. And then, yan na yung ideas na binigay niya. And hindi pa ako na-contented doon. Sabi ko, sorry, but I forgot to add more information about this. So, can you completely help me out? Ayan na, binigyan niya ako ng mission, primary goals, you have to educate, you have to build trust. Yan naman talaga yung goals natin. What tone ang sinasuggest niya sa'yo, if you are telling stories, if you are, adding value to people, tandaan niyo po, adding value to people is you are in the informative side. You are
I'll go down
educating,
later.
you are educating people. So, sorry, ate. So, yan po, may key themes na ako, why I love nursing. Ito yung mga catchy captions na hook na sinasabi niya na if I'm talking in a video, yan po yung makikita. Why I love nursing, pwede kong gamitin yung caption yan. Pero, dahil mabait pa naman siya, libre pa naman to, kasi limited nga pagka masyado ka na maraming tinatanong. If you're asking a lot of questions, ChatGPT, because it's free lang ginagamit ko, it's going to limit the information na. Sabi ko, can you create me na ng, thank you. I can, so ginawa na niya ako ng title, ito yung content na I'm gonna talk about, and also I have the call to action pa. Right? Now, hindi pa ako nakontento dyan kinabukasan, binalikan ko pa siya. Sabi ko, that's very interesting and helpful. Can you create me a month plan na 30-day list? Diba? With hooks, text on screen na, yung itatype sa screen na, pinagawa ko na siya lahat. Sure! Ginawa na ko ang iikli naman. Ginawa na ko ng 30. Sabi ko, ang ikli naman yan, gawin ko longer naman. Ginawa na ako 30, pinagsasama-sama ko na lang yan. Doon sa file ko, meron akong file na ginawa sa Drive. Sabi ko, this is my, tinransfer ko na lahat yan. Pinagsasama ko na lang. Sabi ko, I have at least 5 topics kasi I want why I left my nursing career. Gusto ko 5 video clips yan na tagto 2 minutes. At least I have an idea na kasi mahirap pang isipin ko yan lahat. It'll be hard for me. That's why I'm using ChatGPT. Nakita niyo po yung idea? And then, 5 topics. Puro title naman. Wala naman siyang discussion. Sabi ko, gawin mo nga na lang ako ng script. Sabi ko, gawin mo na ako ng text. Ganyan. 5 years ago. Ayan, ginawa niya ako. 5 years ago. Text one time. Yan. Those are catchy. It's possible. And then, ginawa na niya ako ng script. 5 years ago. Pinagawan ko pa yun ng Tagalog later on. Gawin mo ang Tagalog naman. So, I have everything that I need. See? And chichikahin ko uli si ChatGPT everyday ko ano ipapagawa ko sa kanya for my TikTok content. Now, after you created 30 days content, you can recycle na. Recycle is you can use that same topic naman because you can insert na. You can insert na. So, yaan po yung sa ChatGPT next Wednesday. Lastly, just a minute, I'm just gonna show you yung TikTok account ko po. It's just a video clip. Hold on. I know, I don't know if I can download. Yeah, I can download. And I'm just gonna show this. Yeah, okay. So, all right. And, okay. Share. Okay. So this is my TikTok po. And are you seeing this?
Yes.
Apo. So this is my TikTok talaga. And I don't think I'm gonna create another one kasi gusto ko yung pagkaluma, pagka-old that I created this like years ago. And this is a video clip I'm gonna play. As you can see, I changed na my name to dati kasi I'm Living Her Dream yun eh. Ngayon po, it's Anne and then Anne the Girl Boss. Kasi yung dating gusto kong brand name before, The Girl Boss. Now, I have additional 5 followers. Ewan ko kung scammers yan, but I can check. And then I'm following people as well. Minsan may ta-targetin ka na you think from abroad, people na mahilig din mag-TikTok, that they can be interested in your business. So, pina-follow ko sila. Now, I have information, yung bio information. Learn and earn online with me. DM me for a free guide and questions. So, ibig sabihin may direct message me. And then, wala pa yung link kasi I don't have at least 1,000 followers pa. Okay? So, at least I have that picture. I have ito yung sa website ko and I have information about my name. May username ako. Yun nga, yung Anne, the Girl Boss. Kasi pwede naman iba-iba. Iba naman yung pangalan ko sa Facebook. Iba din naman dito. And pinipin post ko yung mas maraming view. Okay? 800. Maabot naman ako sa 800. I don't reach 1,000 lang kasi kakaunti pa lang yung following ko. But that's the reason why I have to post 3 times a day. Kasi the more you're gonna be visible, pero wag lang for the sake of posting, ah. So, yan po, nakita niyo yung caption. I'm using one same caption style from TikTok yan. But like I said, you have to have that hook so they can stay. Even, kasi when you click this video po, you're not gonna read this twice. Mawawala yan. It's only while it's a thumbnail. Okay? But at least, it's much better than the old videos po na ginagawa ko na walang caption. You see the difference na may caption? And once, ang sinasabi niya sa video kanina, when you play your clip, dapat meron kang fixed na caption doon. So that when you are talking, at least they have an idea what you are talking about. Yun yung kanina. But see here, it's 802. I'm talking about parang picture lang to kay L. And then dito, wala naman kasi information. Happy Halloween. Dito, wala naman. Ang ganda-ganda na video clip. Ang ganda pa naman ng view. Mali naman yung caption. So it didn't get views, only 31. So dito medyo maganda. You can see the following. Pero if you are posting like regularly, you're gonna get po more than kasi you're visible na, omnipresence. Okay po. I think that's all. Thank you guys so much. Let's watch the mastermind na. It's 6 o'clock na po. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. If you have any questions, comment po in Slack. Yes, ate? Yes, ate Evelyn.
Picture.
Ay, picture po yan. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Sobrang easy ng dami ng isi-share. Okay. 1. Thank you, ate.
Kaya ako magsabi picture eh.
Dami lang. May notes pa ako dito. Oh my God. So many to share. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. Isa pa. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you for your time. Next Wednesday po ulit. Actions po in
Thank you,
Slack, ha?
Coach.
Welcome
Thank
po.
you.
Welcome.
Good night,
Bye po.
everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Welcome
Thank
po.
you and
Good
good night.
God
Good
bless
night.
everyone. Thank
Bye.
you.
God bless po. Bye. Bye.